Alright, welcome back to another Left Lane Motorsports video. Today we're going to be talking about ethanol blends. I'm going to show you guys everything you need, what you need to do, and how simple it can be. So let's get right into it. Alright, so these are the four things you're going to need to be able to test and blend your ethanol. So first, just water in a bottle, basic. Just regular water from the sink or whatever. That's first. Second, you're going to need another bottle so that you can put the gas and the ethanol in. So just so you don't make a mess, like you could just put it into this, but it kind of makes it more difficult because then you're going to spill it everywhere. Found that out the hard way. Then you're going to need your Rev X test kit right here. It has the directions on there, and then it shows you like the levels of ethanol and kind of tells you like how to use it and stuff. So pretty much you just fill with water to this line right here, and then the rest you fill with your gas or your ethanol, and then that's how it'll show you what percentage it is, and you'll see like the split between the water and the ethanol because it'll separate. Yeah, so then the fourth thing, you're just going to need your phone, and then you're going to go to this right here, more power tuning app, and then you're going to find the advanced ethanol calculator right here, and I'll pop it up on screen. I'll show you guys how it works once we're at the gas station. So those are the four things you're going to need. You're also going to need a tune as well. If you don't have a tune from MHD or Boot Mod, then you're just going to need to get a custom one. But on MHD, it lets you do E30 without upgrade a high pressure fuel pump or anything like that. On Boot Mod, I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure it's something similar. So that's what I'm running on this car right now. We got the E30 blend. So let's head to the gas station and start showing you guys how to do it. Here we go. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the gas station now. Let's see, it looks crazy as shit right now, so we're gonna figure out where we're going. Oh yeah, perfect, boom. Alright guys, here we are. Gas right now is, let's see, for 91, which is the best thing we get, where we're at, $4.04. Wow. And then ethanol is $3. So fuck the gas prices right now. That's all I can say. Yeah, we're getting scammed out here, guys. So let's get out, show you guys what you have to do, and show you the process of trying to get that E30 blend. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to test our ethanol to see how much is in it, because as you guys can see right here, it can have 51 to 83%. It's never going to be pure E85. So we're going to show you guys how to test it and then do the calculation between the regular gas and the ethanol. Alright, so we're going to take our empty water bottle. We're going to grab the E85. Now you only need a little bit, so don't fill this up too much. Sometimes some will come out, but alright, boom. Get about this much. Set it to the side, then you grab your water. And you're gonna put it on the ground and you're gonna fill your water to the water fill line. Just like this. Alright, now it should be perfectly at the line right there. Then you're gonna take your ethanol. Boom. And then you're gonna pour that in there. Oh my goodness. Are we at the line? We're a little bit short. Right on the money, boys. Boom, then you're gonna take this. And then you're just gonna shake it. Give it a couple good shakes for like a minute or two. It's gonna look like this, a little bit milky. I don't know where all this stuff is, but. And then you're gonna set it down, and you'll see it start to change. So then you're gonna do the same thing with your gas. You're gonna do the same thing with your regular gas. Put it in here. I don't know how much I had last time. I was like, I barely had enough. Like, is that good? Shut up. A little more. Alright, cool. A little more won't hurt. Alright. What? Alright, so, boom. Now you have this, drink up. Damn. So boom, you got your gas. And now let's see what this came out to be. So we got like what is that, like E70? Yeah. So we're at like about E70 right there. So now make a mental note in your head. E70, you can do whatever you want with this. It's up to you. Whatever you do with it is up to you. Don't do what I do. Alright, boom, now it's empty. You properly disposed of it. So same process as with your gas though. Put your water in there. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh damn, right to the line. Maybe a little splat. Oh, okay. That should be good right there, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go over here with the gas. Oh shit! Oh, we're still spilling it everywhere. All right. Okay. Okay. Yep. Just keep spilling it. Yep. Oh, we're almost there. Boom. Right on the money, guys. Right on the money. Put the lid on that bad boy. Shake it up. Yeah, I don't think ethanol blends are too environmentally friendly, but it is what it is, guys. We're out here trying to go fast, not trying to save the world. All right, what is it coming out to be, guys? It's hard to tell, honestly. Looks like it's about E10, so perfect. So then, dispose of that again. Come to your calculator over here. All right, so you're gonna figure out first how much your gas tank is. So the 340 has a 15.8 gallon tank. I have like 20 miles till 0, so let's just say like it's 15.6 that you need in there. Yeah, try to always do a little bit less, because if you do your mix wrong, it's not gonna be good for your car. So we're gonna figure out how many gallons we need of E85. So we'll go 91, and we'll do 7.50. 8.50. That'll just give us a little bit of a baseline. So now we have 16 gallons, and then we have a E-mixture of E30. So we got it, I mean E38, sorry. We got to get that to E30 and have about like 15.5 gallons. So we're going to have to lower down the ethanol content. So we're going to go to like 6 point, or we're going to like 5 point something. Say 5.50. Now we're at E34. Let's see. We'll lower down our ethanol content a little bit more. Let's do 4.50. Alright, we're getting close. Now we can increase this, our gas, to 9. So 9.50. Alright, now we're getting closer. Here we go. Up this to 5. On the dot, we got 31 here. Let's see. So we're pretty much just trying to take the gas gallons and the ethanol mixture and just get it to what we're trying to make it, alright? So we're trying to get E30 with like 15.5 gallons, alright? So you just keep doing the calculation until you get it how you want it. So we're going to add a little bit more regular gas, so we'll do 10. Now we're at 15. 10.50. And then we're just a little bit more. Alright, ready 30, bring us down. Alright. Now we're at an E30 blend with a 95 octane rating and a 15.50 gallons in our tank, right? So when you actually go to pump your gas into the car, you're going to put 15.25 gallons, and then you're going to put 10.25 gallons of regular 91 or whatever you're using. If you have 93, use that, obviously. Yeah, so here we go. Let's put it in. Alright, so now you're going to grab your E85. Boom. And then we go back to the calculator. We're going to be doing 5.25 gallons of E85. So here we go. There we go. One over, but that's why we do a little bit less, because then if you mess it up just a little bit, you won't have missing the space, and then you could just do the rest with gas. Alright, so now you're going to grab your regular gas, and then we're putting 10.25 gallons of regular gas. Here we go. And then that'll take us to 15.5 gallons. Alright, so when it's at 10, we're going to turn the camera back on. Give us 1 second. We need 1.25. like to do it like that, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do to get your blend ready. So here we go, done. Alright guys, so that's how you get your ethanol blend right there. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it in the comments below. Other than that, this has been Amp. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's just show you what that E85 does though real quick. Alright, but we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.